Hi students, in this video I'm going to teach you how to assign R or S in stereochemistry. The first step is to find out your stereogenic centers in the molecules. The second step is to determine the priority of substituents by atomic number. The third step is to put the lowest priority away from you. For example, the hydrogen here is pointing down. The last step is to count the priority from 1 to 4. Clockwise is R, counterclockwise is S. And here we have two examples to show you step by step how to assign the R or S in stereochemistry. In this molecule, we have one stereogenic center, which is this carbon. Then we're going to determine the priority of the substituents by atomic number. So the oxygen has highest atomic number and the hydrogen has lowest atomic number. And we look for another two substituents. They're both carbon. So we don't know which one is the highest priority. So we look for the substituent, the things connect to these two carbon. So in first one up here we have two carbon connect to this carbon. The double bond is equal to 2 carbon connect to this carbon. And down here, this carbon, we have a triple bond. That means 3 carbon connect to this carbon. Therefore, we know this triple bond carbon is higher priority than the double bond carbon. We'll put 2 here and we'll put a 3 here. And then we know the lowest priority is pointing away from you, which is the hydrogen. And we count from 1 to 3, and we know this is the clockwise, which is R. And now we're going to see the second example here. The first thing is to find out the stereogenic center, which is this carbon. And we look through the molecule, we know the hydrogen is the lowest priority. Therefore, we'll put a 4 here. And then we have 1 carbon, 1 carbon, 1 carbon here. So we don't know which one is highest priority. We look for the substituent to connect to this carbon. Therefore, we know the bombing here is highest atomic number. Therefore, that one is the highest priority. We give it 1 here. And we're going to decide which one is the higher priority for these 2 carbon. And then we know the double bond connect to this carbon. That means 2 carbon connect to this carbon. And there's a 2 carbon connect to this carbon as well. So we don't know which one is higher. We look further. See, we have 2 hydrogen connect to this carbon, and 1 hydrogen connect to this carbon, 1 carbon connect to this carbon. Therefore, we know this one is the higher priority carbon. We'll put a 2 here, and we'll put a 3 here. So now we can see the hydrogen is pointing up, not pointing away from you. So we're going to count it from 1, 2, 3 clockwise. However, the hydrogen is pointing to you, which is not pointing away from you. Therefore, we need to reverse the result. The R is going to be S. Whenever you see the lowest priority substituent is pointing to you, you have to reverse the result. So this is how you assign R or S in stereochemistry. See you next time. Thanks for watching this video.